Okay. We've been out here for about 3 minutes.
Somebody
yeah.
says.
I knew these guys were asleep when I brought them out, but I wanted them to come out here anyway.
Come here, Hezzy. Come here,
He's
Hezzy.
feeling his way. He was walking around better before. Come here. Let me paw.
Oh, there you go. Good boy. Good boy. Come here.
I just saw your tail wag.
Here,
Sorry, my video's not that great just yet.
here. Come on. You're gonna.
You might want to. Can you? No, okay,
Yeah.
I'll get him.
You gonna pee?
No, they just don't walk real well. This is the first time on a hardwood floor. I don't want them hurting their legs.
Yeah.
Hey, it's just me.
We get a kiss.
Come here. Hey, come see your brother over here. Hey, babies. Hello. Hi, Ez. Hello. Yeah, see, it's not so bad yet, is it?
Look at his tail wagging.
Come here, sit by me for a minute till you get used to it. He's gonna bark. He's looking right at her. Well, I think I'm gonna have to start on my shaker can. Hello, Mr. Hezzy. Hello. Hi. That's just my hand. I didn't mean to scare you. That's your sister, yeah. You can tell her everything's okay. Yeah. Okay. So I couldn't film them at the same time that they were eating, but these three, I'm telling you, they have a better appetite than their older siblings, which happens sometimes. The one thing that I did notice is that Gabe has about 6 teeth. He's got his top 2 canines, and his front row up top. I've only had that happen one other time when I had pups that were younger than 3 weeks that had teeth, and it was the whole litter. His siblings don't have teeth yet, and I expect them to get teeth by next week. But usually they come usually the fangs, the canines come in, and then the little itty bitty babies come in, and then the back teeth come in. He's got 2 canines and a whole row of top teeth, which is I put my finger in his mouth today because a couple of days ago I thought I felt a tooth. Well, he seems to have a whole mouthful at the top. These guys don't have teeth yet. Uh-oh. He stuck his nose in the water. I think he's okay. Yeah, he's good. I'm going to let their mom come in because she'll clean up for me. You know how to come on your call. Shiva, you can come over here. She's like, I'm not feeding them. I'm just looking for their food. Usually there's a bowl down here somewhere. There you go. You know she's here. Okay, so this is their first day in the kitchen. Pretty long time for them. Normally, I don't bring them into the kitchen until they've been in the foyer. For, used to being in the foyer for a day or so. but this was okay. They're at least getting out and stretching their legs some. Hey. Hey. Oh, that's not even you. I don't know which one that is. You and Hawk sound exactly alike. It's all three of you.
Make a chorus right now.
I was going to say, they're not trying to eat from her, though. They're just... maybe they're just trying to... Okay. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and clean up and put the pups away. I'll make another bowl of food and try to get some food into the G litter, and hopefully they'll make it easy for me. There's that tail wag. Yes, they're all your babies. Yes, there's... No, 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 nobody else. Uh-oh, somebody's pottying.